In this video, I will show you step by step how you can promote Fiverr affiliate links on Facebook using free traffic. I will share with you guys my method that I'm using to earn $10,110 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on Facebook without investing any money in paid ads. Okay, so let's get started. And as you can see over here in my balance, I have $10,110 available. I will be able to withdraw this money by the end of this month. So anyways, so for people who want to start making money with affiliate marketing and promote Fiverr affiliate links on Facebook and earn commission, what you need to do first, you need to go to Google and search for Fiverr. Okay, then click on the first link over here. Sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so you just need to come to this page and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. You can check this website so you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate program. They are really paying a good commission, guys, and you can make so much money. Okay, so just click over here on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program, and it's super easy and simple. Just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, and your password. Account type, make it private. Okay, they will ask you a few questions. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language. Okay, if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so what you will do next is you need to choose a profitable and a good services that you will promote on Facebook to earn commission. Okay, you cannot promote any services. You need to choose a profitable services that people will be interested to buy from your affiliate link. And I will share with you guys one of my service that I'm promoting on Facebook to earn a lot of commission. Okay, so what you will do, just go back to your home page on Fiverr, okay, and search for this service. Search for logo design. Okay, search for logo design services. Scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. Okay, always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews, or top rated seller. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they have good reviews, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so let's choose for example this one. This one is top rated seller. Okay, so I will click on his service like this. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. This seller has a lot of orders in queue and people keep coming back. This seller is providing a good service for his customers. Okay, so what you will do, you will copy his profile link like this. Okay, so just copy his, let me show you. So click on his service, and what you will do next, you will copy his profile link like this. Okay, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this seller profile link here. Okay, click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So what you need to do next is you just need to promote this affiliate link on Facebook. Okay, so what we will do, we will go to Facebook. So open your Facebook account like this. Okay, and click over here on search and search for logo design. Okay, like this. Over here you have filters. Okay, scroll down and click on groups. Okay, because we need Facebook groups. And here you go. You will find a lot of Facebook groups about logo design. Okay, so you need to join all those groups. Okay, so let's take for example this group. I will click on this group, for example, like this. Okay, you will be directly in this home page of this group. Scroll down, and here you go. You will find a lot of people here who are searching for logo designer. Okay, this one is searching for logo designer. Let's scroll down. We can find a lot of people here. This one searching for designer. Okay, and if you keep scrolling down, you will find a lot of people searching for logo designer. Okay, so what you will do, you will click over here on write something. Okay, and you will create a post. Okay, so over here you will go back to this seller profile page and you will copy this title. Okay, like this, and go back to your Facebook homepage over here to this group and put this title over here. Okay, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and copy your affiliate link from here. Okay, and go back to Facebook and put this affiliate link here like this. Okay, and what you will do next, you just need to click over here on post. Okay, and your affiliate link will be published in this group. Okay, your service about logo design will be published in this group, and people who are searching for logo designer, they will click on your affiliate link, and if they buy this service from your affiliate link, you will earn commission. Okay, and that's it. That's how you can promote Fiverr affiliate links on Facebook. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.